This is Cadet Ryan Morgan with Parker Gahagen and Nick Prestipino. In this video, we will be presenting our first deliverable for our career worth calculator. In this video, we will be presenting the sequence diagram, block diagram, and requirements diagram. The first part of our first deliverable is the requirements diagram, and as you can see in the first block here is the overarching system. It's our career worth calculator, and in the text it provides what the system will be doing, and then it is broken down first into the inputs into the system, and those are the job factors. And the different job factors are the job type, that is whether you are in the military or you are a civilian DoD. Then you will have your rank and your years of service, and those will determine the base salary that the worker will receive. And then you'll have your investment returns if you choose to pick the thrift savings plan. And then you have each of the benefits, and this is an overarching category, and within it is the worth of the GI Bill, education allowance, value of the health care, deployment, special pays, benefits tied to dependents, and commissary benefits. And the last one is location, and within the location there will be the housing allowance, taxes, and cost of living. And the next part, after putting in the inputs, the system will perform a few calculations based on these inputs, and that will go over to the display salary, where the career net total worth will be displayed, and you can compare through the two options and all the factors the total worth.
So moving on from our requirements diagram, here's our block definition diagram. So our overarching theme is the career worth calculator. This is basically simulating our Excel file. So you have the user interface, which the user sees. You have the lists, which represent drop-down lists. So the user can choose whether they have a civilian or military job. They can also choose whether they're using the pension or blended plan. For the data tables, the user is going to input their rank. So these are all going to be rows in the Excel file. So they'll input their rank, they'll input their investment strategy, their benefits such as like deployments they've had, their years of service, which will also go into their end salary in combination with their rank, and then the location of their retirement and where they're currently posted.
Finally, we have our sequence diagram, which starts with our 4 blocks from our earlier block table. Basically, you start off with your lists. So you're going to input your list of civilian or military and pension or blended, which will take you back to the user interface. And then from there, the user will input the different job factors such as rank, years of service, investment returns, benefits, and locations, which will go from the interface into our data tables in Excel. And so we have all of those getting inputted into our Excel data table, which from there our data table will then spit back out the values for what was inputted. So the rank and years of service, the investment values, benefits values, and the total location value. So that could be from like BAH to like taxes on where you live and stuff like that. Finally, once all that comes back from the data table into the interface, our Excel will come back and give us a total career worth of that civilian or military job, which will then be brought back out to the user for them to see and be able to compare their future worth from the two different options. This concludes our first deliverable.